Thank you, Madam Speaker. And I must thank the Honourable Member for the question. Madam Speaker, tilapia fish is one of our most important target species for farm fish production. It is vital for food security and improving livelihoods for our rural and inland farmers. There is close to 500 tilapia farmers in Fiji now. The government hatchery at Ndurulolo Research Station currently supply fingerlings to about 95% of these farmers. Recently, we have focused new technologies in methods to boost production in order to meet rising demand from farmers. Our production capacity is currently around 1 million fingerlings annually. However, the demand from farmers is double that amount. We are currently trying two methods of fingerling production, and they are incubator system and hopper breeding method. Both these methods increase efficiency and survival rate of the fingerlings, and it leads to increased production. While the incubator system is set up at the NRS hatchery, the hopper breeding method has been successfully trialed and is being used in places such as Montfort, Boys Town, and Nosori Village to stock up their own pools. There is a high interest from other farmers to access and use this method. Thank you, Madam Speaker.